Let's do a full face of new makeup. So I'm going to be trying some newness today. Got my basic bitch influencer fat headband on. I thought we'd try some new makeup together. Now some of this is newly launched and some of it is just new to me. So we're starting off with the NYX The Face Glue Gripping Primer. I love good, like, innovative, fun makeup. I'm loving that more people are doing stuff like this now. It feels like glue, you know, the glue at like primary school. I think I've used way too much, but okay, gluey glow. Okay, yeah, we're feeling sticky, which I guess is good because it's a gripping primer. So for foundation, I'm going to use the Merit, the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick in the shade Dune. Also, I guessed my shade, so we'll see how this turns out. It's looking a teensy bit orange, but we'll blend and make it work. It's such a good size as well. It's not very like chunky. I feel like you could throw it in your handbag and go. So it looks very natural on the skin. It's not too like matte, but it's not too glowy. Good everyday complexion stick. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. I have used these in the past, but they sent a load of different shades, so I thought I would give that a go, see how that turns out. Again, we're just winging it here. There's no method. I do like this concealer. I feel like I don't reach for it very much, but it's like such a good, affordable drugstore concealer. Whenever I'm like blending in my makeup, I just like play elevator music in my head. Like darker shade as almost like a contour bronzer. Which may have been a bit orange. Okay, maybe that wasn't the right colour for that. Oopsies. Okay, the good thing about makeup is that you can just correct it and wipe it off. Instead, I'm going to go in with this No. 7 Pro Artist Soft Glow Cream Bronzer. This is supposed to be like a dupe for the Chanel Soleil one, the Chanel cream bronzer. I love big, like, creamy bronzers. I feel like they're perfect for, like, summer. That is nice. For blush, we have some new shades of the e.l.f. Liquid Camo Blush. I'm gonna go for maybe Copper Etiquette? I don't know, I'm just feeling it. I love these blushes. They are so pretty, and I feel like they've got such a good range of colours now. So affordable, and the pigment and the quality is so good. My brows with this new Benefit Mighty Fine Brow Pen. This has like a little 3. That's nice. I feel like it looks nice and natural as well. I never like to do too much to my eyebrows anyway, so I'm like, the more natural, the better. I'm gonna go in with this new Kosas powder in the shade Candy. I think this is one of those ones supposed to like brighten your under eye. To set, we are using the new Fenty Beauty You Mist Makeup Extending Setting Spray. Mascara. The new Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High in the shade Plum Twilight. I do love this mascara wand. I've used the burgundy one and just the black one. I feel like it's not too obviously purple. I don't know. Lips, I'm going to be using the Chantecaille Lip Definer in Discreet. My friend who works at Space & recommended it to me. She said these were some of the best lip liners, so I was immediately sold. I got this really pretty colour in Discreet. What I like about this as well is that it's like a proper pencil, if that makes sense. The Nudestix Hydrating Peptide Lip Butter in Vanilla Sprinkle. It smells similar to the Summer Fridays vanilla lip butter. That is the full look of the new makeup bits. I feel like all in all, I'm pretty impressed by everything I've tried. I don't feel like there was anything that was like an immediate no. Love it. Very impressed. I'm gonna see how we get on throughout the day. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.